Let me show you how to download songs from YouTube Music. This works to listen to offline music on your Android or iPhone. Now, on your iPhone or Android, if you have YouTube Music pulled up, you can download any songs or playlists just by navigating to them. Keep in mind, you do need YouTube Premium to be able to do this, but you can see if I like a specific song, let's say this one, I can always download it just by tapping the three dots and then download. However, I can also just go through the process of downloading the entire playlist or album just by tapping the down arrow again. Now, to be able to see it, all I need to do is go to Library and then make sure I'm on the downloaded section here. And you can see downloaded songs will show up here, as well as downloading albums will show up here, or playlists. To remove the download, all you need to do is tap on the down arrow again, and then just tap on remove if you want to free up some space.